Yes.
We get sick.
Janelle.
Oh, I forgot my mask. I'm sorry.
That's fine. I have on my mask.
Yes.
Say hi to the folks, Sammy.
Hello.
Hello everybody, I'm here with Janelle. Because of COVID-19, I can't go underneath her umbrella. So I have to be outside here in the rain. It feels good though. Right? It feels good. Janelle, I noticed on your package you have your home address, but we detoured and we took it to your work, right?
Yes, you do.
You like that? You like that?
Yes.
Janelle, say you like it. She said it was very convenient. You see guys, this is what we do for you, you know. We go out of our way to make sure so you get your packages delivered wherever you want it. Your house. Hi! And some of our co-workers come on and look. Hello! They run gone now. But anyways guys, we make it very convenient for you, just as Janelle said, right? We are going to get your items to you know what? No matter if they work or if they're home, we're going to get your items to you. You like
Very
anything else about the company? We're very convenient. Anything else you like about it?
Speedy and customer service is on par for real.
Guys, this is my face when I'm taking the compliments. Thank you so much for that, those kind words. Guys, remember there's a link somewhere here. It's either here in the video or under the video. Click on the link and join us today, right? You need to join, right?
They need to.
You hear it, guys? She said it and he said it. Alright guys, catch you later. Tell them bye-bye for me.
Bye.
Bye.